Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is a collective reading for those who are in no contact. So let's begin with your reading. Let's see what do we have for you. Let's see what is happening in your person's life right now for those who are in no contact. The dream. Definitely they are missing you. Definitely they are thinking about you. Okay, this person is in a lot of stress. Okay, I do feel that even though this person's ego is really triggered, okay, this person's ego is really triggered and they do kind of compare you a lot. Just hold on. So they do kind of compare you a lot as well. They are in a lot of stress, and at the same time it also feels that it's like when the ego is crushed, okay, or when the other person feel that no matter what I do, this person is not really validating my ego, this person is not really giving me the attention that I want, okay, this person is not giving me the validation that I want. So what is happening here is this person is becoming more and more restless, okay, this person is becoming very patient as well, impatient as well, okay, बहुत ज़्यादा impatience वाली energy, बहुत ज़्यादा I would say. Now probably this person shakes their leg a lot, okay, so this person is into that worry, this person is into that anxiety, and there's a lot of restless energy as well, because this person wants to take an action but they don't know how to take an action, because the ways they have been using to keep you in their life, now they're understanding that those ways are not going to work, so they are constantly comparing themselves, okay, and at the same time I also feel that they compare you a lot with other women, okay, so probably let's say that they are talking to other women, or if they are talking to other men, so this person has this constant comparison, okay, that my person is way better than this person, or I can never find anyone like my collective. So that is the kind of energy that I see with this person. And also if there's a lot of distance between you two, or you guys are not talking to each other at all, then I definitely feel that your person's heart chakra is getting activated, okay. I also feel that they have to heal their heart chakra. Probably they need to work more towards forgiveness, they need to forgive themselves also, and not just forgiveness, but there's some childhood trauma which is still attached, and now slowly this childhood trauma is coming to the surface level, okay. So jaise jaise ye trauma samne aayega, this person will be able to heal that, okay, because this person is realizing something about emotions, this person is understanding something about relationships, okay, and that is probably that no matter which is probably that whenever you bring any kind of ego, or whenever you bring any kind of materialistic thing into the picture, it is not going to work, okay. So maybe they have seen this thing that money works, maybe they have seen this thing that beauty works and stuff, but now they're understanding that this is not going to solve their problem, okay. So this person, you will see that this person is going to become really active, okay, though I don't think that they will become active towards you, but I do feel that they will become very active in their career, okay. There's a lot of masculine energy, there's a lot of zeal, there's a lot of enthusiasm towards their life. So now it's like they are becoming more and more crazy about how can they better themselves, how can I better myself, what else should I do where I feel validated, or I can show the collective that this is what my potential is, I can show the collective that this is who I am. So this kind of energy is there, but at the same time, slowly but surely, like within a month, I would say within a month or two, this person will become someone who is going to actually work on themselves, okay. They will focus more towards individuality rather than seeking validation. So yes, definitely this person is going through certain lessons, but at the same time these lessons are going to teach this person that who they are and who they have always desired to become, because they somehow do idealize who they are becoming, but later on they will realize that this is not someone that they have always idealized. Okay, so some reality check is definitely happening, but at the same time I also feel that your person is improving a lot. Now let's see what do they feel about you. Hierophant, Strength, Ace of Wands. Wow. They definitely have a lot of feelings for you, and they definitely want to settle down with you. They want to set an example with you. Okay, it's like this person, if I talk about how do they feel about you, they definitely see you as a wife material or as a husband material. They want to have a solid commitment with you. They want to have traditional setting with you. They want to give commitment to you. They want to have a passionate connection with you. They also feel that they are aware about the fact that they have made a lot of mistakes. They are aware about the fact that somehow they have given a lot of importance to the fear rather than giving importance to you or this relationship. This person also knows that they will have to put a lot of efforts into this relationship. They will have to put a lot of strength into this relationship if they want something with you. Okay, so though I do feel that this person wants to come towards you, this person wants to have a passionate connection with you, a passionate start with you. So जब ये आएंगे ना, एकदम enthusiasm के साथ आएंगे, एकदम zeal के साथ आते हुए दिख रहे हैं कि yes, now I'm going to marry my collective, now I'm ready for this, now I'm ready for that. So that kind of energy is definitely there. Okay, they definitely want to introduce you to their family. ठीक है, that is there. They probably see you giving birth to their children, so they want to have babies with you. They want to have that family with you. They want to see you cooking and nurturing, or probably providing and protecting. So that is something that they really dream about. Okay, they dream about that typical husband wife relationship with you, typical husband wife family with you. So that kind of energy is there. Okay, and probably earlier typical husband wife relationship for them was जहाँ पे लड़ाई झगड़ा हो रहा है, ये सब चीजें हो रही है. But now this person is understanding that yes, there's another side of the story as well. There's another picture to this whole scenario as well. Okay, let's see what are going to be the upcoming actions. Disguise, tease, memento, gift giving, and manifesting the one. See, I do feel that this person is still going to hide their feelings. Okay, they're still not going to tell you what they really feel about you. Probably one thing that I do see is that they might text you, or they might come up with a small message, or they might want to tease you, or have some kind of fun with you. Kuch chedna, that teasing is happening. And I also see that they might come with a gift. They may want to gift you something. Okay, they might bring chocolates for you. They might bring sweets, or anything that you like. A very small gesture is what. I don't think it's going to be very grand or anything. So that gift giving is definitely happening. That memento energy is definitely there. So this person has something for you, and they might want to give it to you. For some, I also feel putting up stories and status just to show you, that is another way of seeking your attention, because this person doesn't want to come out and act as someone who's a cringe person, but they don't understand that this is not what being cringe is. This is actually how a man should pursue a woman, right? So that is there. And then I also have manifesting the one. For some, I have a feeling that your person is doing some kind of rituals, or some kind of healings, or some candle magic that is also happening. So probably this person will do something of that sort. So if you also want this person, then definitely all this is going to work, but if you don't want this person, then no matter what they do, it's not going to work regardless of the gender. Okay, so that is what we have, I guess. I'll see you next time. Bye.